So how to find creatives for Facebook ads. You're probably wondering now, should I be using images or should I be using videos for Facebook ads? What actually works the best for affiliate marketing? So actually both work well. In order, video views will always work the best, but images can also work great. But now you need to create a creative. Now what a creative means is what's your actual image, what's your actual video that you're using. Now there's a couple steps that I actually take when I'm actually looking for creatives. It goes back into spying, but then also there's a couple small micro steps that you need to take if you start swiping videos, and a couple precautions to think about as you're swiping. So I'm going to show you all the ways to find unlimited creatives for anything that you actually want to promote. Let's dive right in. So with your Facebook ad creatives, if you ever use a Facebook video and you swipe it from a competitor, what you always want to do is you always want to edit that video. And the number one tool I use is Filmora. Now Filmora, it's a video software editing tool. It's $60 for the year. They do have a free version. Now depending on what type of computer you are, your computer may already come with a video editing software. Now you do not have to do any heavy editing. You don't have to be a video expert editor. But the reason we edit our videos is because when we upload them to Facebook, we want Facebook to know our video is fresh, our video is new, our video isn't copied from someone else. So you always want to edit your video. Now I want to show you exactly my thought process when I'm swiping. So let's head over to Facebook. So we have my Michelle May page now. Now this page was made for diabetes secrets, women's health, fitness, dieting, nutrition. So it's just a health and wellness Facebook avatar fan page. Now one big page with health products is actually Freshly. And I actually funnel hacked them, and I actually funnel hacked their products, and I swiped it. So pay very close attention, because if we look at my ad copy is very similar to them. Struggling to eat healthy, get 2 weeks of dinners cooked by our chefs for $40 off. Offer ends in 24 hours. I like this. So when I see these types of ads, I think of opportunity. I think of how can I take this Freshly offer and make it work for myself. So what I do now is I right click on the video and I click show video URL, and I'll copy this. Then what you want to do is head right over to fbdown.net. So fbdown.net is where you can actually download a Facebook video. So all you have to do is right click and paste it in, and then click download. So now you're probably wondering, should I be taking videos off of Facebook? What are the rules behind that? So in the lenses of my eyes, when I see Facebook videos, I think of opportunity of swiping. Should you take these videos? A lot of these videos, so the videos I would not take would be going to Apple directly and taking Apple's video off of their page and then using that. Now, worst case scenario, what someone can do is message you and say, hey, you're using my video, can you please remove it? That's worst case scenario. They'll message your fan page and let you know. I would prefer staying on Facebook and keeping the content from Facebook and repurposing it for Facebook. Now keep in mind, the reason behind us using this video and taking this video here is that we have to edit this video. So right now this video is roughly 17 seconds long, and what we want to do is we want to add a little bit to it or snip a little bit out. So when we upload this to Michelle May's page, Facebook believes it's a new video, it's a viral chance video. It's not video that we're copying from someone else on Facebook. So this is why we want to download the video. So once you download the video, let's just click download in normal quality. Let me pause that, click this right here and click download. Now it's very quick, so I'm just gonna go right to my video editor. So once you open up Filmora, they'll have an option for a quick and easy start or full version mode. You want to click on the right one, it'll be full version. So all I have to do now is open the video. So just click right here on import media files. So now all you want to do now is just drag this video to the timeline. And so right here we have this where we can make this a little bit bigger. If you want to space it out a little bit, you can make it a little bit smaller. So all you want to do now, I'll make this a little bit bigger. You can just click play. And if you wanted to snip out this little spot, you could click right here, snip, and then snip this out. And then let's fast forward a little bit. So right here is where they show the Freshly logo box. So I'll snip that out. Let's hit play. Whoops, hit back a little bit. Alright, so snip, play again, and then snip that out. Alright, then I'll come a little bit forward, and right here it has the freshly, deliciously healthy, and let's snip that out right at the end. So let's hit play. Alright. And then I'll snip that right out. So then what I can do now is I can add on an image at the end. So you want to click on text right here, and you want to do, let's just do opener, and we can do text here. And then what we can do is right click and click edit, and then we can put get $40 off today only. And then what we can do is make this font smaller, make it let's see, and then we can line this up, so center this up, and then all you have to do is click OK, and then let's just play this at the end. So get $40 off today. So this is just an example. It can say claim your trial today, get started today, comment below. It can say anything, but what you want to do is just add on a call to action. Let whoever know, whoever's watching this, let them know what you want them to do. So this is a great way to actually do that. Then all you have to do is come up here and just click export, export to a device, and then you want to click on format. So then all you have to do now is choose MP4, and then you can come here in settings and then change the video quality. But then that's all you have to do, and click export, and now you have a video ready to go right up onto Facebook. So this is one way that you can actually do if you're swiping other people's videos. So what I noticed with Facebook, if you swipe a video and you do not edit it and you just use it and you start running ads to it, I noticed that the cost per link clicks are very expensive. Just the overall cost to get engagement on it is a little bit more expensive. But I noticed that when I actually edit the video, add a snippet out, add a snippet in, add a little text at the end, I noticed that my cost is a lot cheaper. So this is just a ninja trick if you're swiping videos from Facebook. Now you can use images also. Now you can also put your images into your video editor. But now one last tool I do want to go over is called Shaker. Now this is more of an expensive software. You do not have to go over and beyond to use the software, but it's very easy. For example, if you did not want to use Filmora, you could actually use a tool called Shaker. Now there's other tools similar to Shaker. Another one is actually called Clipman. So they're exactly like Shaker, but they're a little bit cheaper. Shaker has additional features that you can actually use. So now let's go right over to Shaker. So when you log in the Shaker, they have slideshows that you can do. If you've ever seen the fast videos and changing photos and images and you've always wondered, a lot of those are Shaker. So for example, if you were to go to Fiverr and you paid someone to edit your video, if they did it on Fiverr, they would charge you anywhere from $5 to $20 just to edit your video, just to create you a video like this. And it's really neat. So what you can do is actually preview them. So let's just say we wanted to have a Facebook fan page for gaming, right? So we could actually use that and set up one right here. Just click on this and let's just click play. So the perfect thing about this is that all you have to do is just drag the images. So there's different types. So let's actually scroll down and take a look at some of these. So we have video designs, we have Facebook videos that convert, fashion and apparel, businesses and services. I've actually used this one quite a bit, make it your own. I like this one actually the best. And let's just scroll down, pretty slideshows. So what this does is actually it takes your photos or it takes your videos and then you can actually drop them in the timeline and add text to it, and then this puts it all together and makes it really quick. So for example, if you clicked on this one, duration is 21 seconds, and then, or we can make it 30 seconds. So if you use this, it's just drag and drop. So you just click make my video. And then what you can do is put limited time offer, save, Bark. This is a max bounty offer, so BarkBox exclusives. So limited time offer, BarkBox exclusive, then you could click save. So then also as you're doing this, you can actually add in images to this actual timeline in this slot, so it's actually really great to use. So now I want you to see exactly how this was put into action. So this was one of my campaigns, video views. And then you see that I was targeting 3 different audiences right here. So let's just click into one of them. And then let's just click edit. So this ad copy is very similar to what we just saw from Freshly. So essentially I got a lot of content from them. I already knew that Freshly is working. They have plenty of customers. I can see the engagement based off of my spying and all the research that I've done before putting this ad up. But struggling to eat healthy, get 4 weeks of dinners. So things to consider is, how can I see someone's ad and how can I change that perspective? So I could use this same angle to run a $1.40 payout offer, an $80 payout offer. So let me log into the network so you can see my strategy on how I'm thinking about all of this. So now I'm logged into the network. I'm in the diet tab. Now look at this, South Beach Diet. Now when we click right here, it pays out $64. And then conversions on a credit card submit, United States only, 18 and over. And social media is allowed, that's where we're at. So now let's look at Freshly. Now there it says, get 2 weeks of dinners cooked by our chefs, $40 off. When I see that offer in the network, I'm thinking, get 2 weeks of dinners cooked by our chefs for 40% off. So just taking that and actually changing the perspective to make it work for the affiliate offer. Now you can also change up this ad copy to make it work for another offer. And also here, 30-day keto fix. How can we take that 30-day keto fix and make it work for the actual offer? Now let's look at the Palo secrets, the exact one that I was running with the images. So let's go right back to the ads. So now take a look at this, Palo breakfast secrets. So read before your next meal, chef cooked meals, 100% all natural ingredients. Get yours here. I'm giving them a call to action. But now pay close attention to this actual ad copy in the layout. It's a short form on ad copy. It's very straight to the point. But look at Freshly. So it's very similar with the emojis, made with all natural ingredients, chef cooked meals delivered fresh. So I got influence from Freshly to help me with my ad copy and to move forward with this niche. Now I've never promoted this Palo secrets before, so this is why manual spying is very important when you're choosing an offer. But this is exactly how your creatives get put together now. So you see I had my similar Freshly video, you see the similar ad copy and the angles that I took to actually make it work. So think about this as you're building your Facebook ad creatives. I'll see you in the next video.